Is there a difference between the Oslo and New York exchanges in terms of the attitude amongst investors right now towards shipping?
I think again investors are global, so whether one should decide or agree to or work on listing and raising, let's call it, in Oslo or in New York, depends a little bit on the structure of the company. How is it? What kind of assets do we have? What kind of contracts are you looking at? I.e., what is the visibility for cash flows? So, Oslo is a venue where it's a very quick and let's call it trouble-free process of raising capital, particularly growth capital. So, growth-oriented companies, I think, will find a very nice home in Oslo. New York is let's call it a broader market in terms of the different investor, let's call it, types. From strong retail, to institutions as well. So if you're a company that maybe has longer term cash flows, more secured, you can do an MLP, or you can tap into the retail market. So I think it's more the structure of the company than anything else that decides whether you should list in Oslo or in New York.
Plateau has made good progress in terms of its development in the US. What's the next big target for you?
For us, it was very important to get a stronger foothold in the US because it is the broadest capital market in the world. You have quite a few shipping companies listed there, and I think we're very happy by getting to that point. I guess as we move along the cycle, Asian interest will probably increase, but for now our key focus is on increasing our position in the US and growing our business obviously in Norway and Oslo, and just as important is to continue to develop the partnership we have with our parent in terms of working together with them on the steel side and us on raising the equity. So I guess it's trying to do the same, but just better.